I don't know in what parts of the world y'all live in, but where I live in, it's not normal to have to hop out the whip like this, boy. Oh my god. Oh. 2026 Christmas. I mean February. I mean January. TF. Key for TF.
Yo, get a front wheel drive car, they said. Look at this bullshit. Like, what the fuck? Motherfucker, this thing spinning in your head?
We in that Benzo Tudezo on a third tizzle, nerd tizzle. 9 minutes away from the destination. Your boy, yeah, ain't never seen your boy in this. This is the wifey truck. I also don't know if y'all could see. Tint is beefy. Can you see? I mean, I guess, but that's OD, you know? It's cool though. Y'all like Sizzler? Is there any way to lengthen our drive? Let's see. I'll go that way. Same way that we were already going, I guess, right? I'm sure we go that way. Where are we? Where is this? This is you know, it's somewhere in Queens. It's a big place, but you might get lost, but that's why Waze takes you where you need to go. You just boop, 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 and then you get there. But then you gotta deal with all these fucking assholes. Like, what are you doing, my friend? What are you really doing on this Thursday night? We on our way to the shop. Easy right now, easy. Oh, that Ac just got the heat fixed. Oh, you know where you going, nigga? Sorry for my language. Ac just got the heat working. Now we need a knock sensor and a control arm. I don't know if it's upper or lower. It's one of the two. Maybe it's both too. We're alive. You guys are alive, right? I would hope so. You gotta be watching this video somehow. I hope, what's their name? Their name is YouTube. I hope YouTube doesn't copyright us for this. Hot 97. What they said? Shake the blah blah. You know, we haven't uploaded in a little bit of time, so just wanna show y'all what be going on in the day. If y'all wanna start seeing like shop videos and things of that nature, things that go on at the shop, then sure, I'm down to give it to y'all. It's fun. It's fun having experience at a shop. I think cars has always been my passion, but I've never had the opportunity to pursue it. Is that the right term to use? See, y'all telling me to turn here, but I'm just gonna go straight, cause I don't feel like doing all of that extra shit. Just get a quick little, what, 10-minute drive for y'all. Show y'all what's going on at the shop when I get there, if I can. Show y'all if it's not closed up already, how we close up. Wow. And yeah, go home. Domino's. Yo, that's the oldest Domino's delivery car I've ever seen. Benz Punani. How's y'all Thursday? I think the last time we made a video it was like Tuesday or Wednesday. Something like that. I don't remember honestly, but sorry. I just need to see like in the comments, drop another video, bro. Where are you? And I'm gonna become Whistling Diesel. Beep, 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 beep. Reshit you this. Hey, close. Oh shit. You push this? Where does gotta go? Just straight on the street? Go ahead.
Acura TL naman yun nga. Okay, okay.
Sorry, bro. Excuse me, yeah. Y'all don't know what a salt is, right? Huh? You guys know what a salt is?
Oh, yeah, no salt.
No salt? None?
Yeah, right out.
Oh my god. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. I'm gonna go to the one that's near.